garden fairy.
Ironic, isn't it?
Every girl has 3 obsessions. These are mine.
Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah.
Fidget trading with the rich girl. Look at how many poppets and stuff she has. But I only have this one. Hi, would you like to trade? This is the only fidget I have, but I was hoping we could trade. Just that little poppet? No way. Go try to find some fidgets by the Fidget Hub. There's never anything good at the Fidget Hub, but we can try. Oh my goodness, just sitting right here, these XL Bunmo pop tubes. Yes! Okay, now I have 2. Wait. Oh my goodness, a poppet bracelet just sitting right here? Do you guys see anything? Oh my goodness, a poppet! Let's reach. Got it. I think that's it. A dimple? Yes! Okay, I'm ready to trade. Oh my goodness, I want that XL pop tube right now. For that jumbo rainbow poppet, yes! Great day.
Hi everyone, welcome to my first video. So I'm a fidget account, as you can probably tell. And I don't know if it's as many fidgets as a lot of the other accounts, but here's my collection. So for this video, I thought I'd give you a tour. So on the bottom, I have all my poppets. Most of them are stacked. And then on the second shelf, it's a bit more complicated. In the back, I have pop tubes and poppet balls, along with putties, a lot of different kinds of dimples, wacky tracks, infinity cubes, that kind of thing. And then on the top shelf, I have all the stuff that my dog could break, like stress balls and mochis and marble mesh, that kind of thing, like monkey noodles and acupressure ring. I hope you enjoyed the tour of my fidget collection, and I hope you come back for more fidget content.